Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to use Eyedropper Tool in PowerPoint. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, first, let's start from a clean slate. Let's clear the text box. Go to Layout, click on Blank. Okay. The next thing is we want to sample a color. So the work of the Eyedropper Tool is to sample color from one object and then use it in our design. Okay, so let's see how to do this. We're going to import or add a picture into our PowerPoint right now, and we're going to sample color from there. So let's see how to do this. So to do this, we go to Insert, click on Insert, and you see picture right here. Click on Picture and click on Device, this device. Since we're adding it from our computer, this device. Okay, so you have to browse to where your picture is, the picture you want to use sample color from. You have to go there. So I want to use this picture right here. Click on it and click on Insert. Okay, so this is the picture. Great. So the first thing I want to show you is how to actually sample color from here and use that color as the background color, as the slide background. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. First, right click on an empty area on your slide, right click and click on Format Background. Okay, so this Format Background. Good. So now you can see we're currently on solid view. So if you click on this bucket icon now, you can see we have eyedropper there. So if I click on this eyedropper, it's showing an icon, the eyedropper icon right now. So any color that I hover my mouse on, that's the color that is going to show. Is currently showing white because I'm moving this icon on the white color. If I hover it on the green like this, so it's showing light green. If I move it inside it, can show dark green, so it's showing the RGB code. Okay, so you can see that if I move it on white, it shows white now. Okay, so I want to use the green color, so let me just hover my mouse here. Okay, so now it's to select it, just left click one time. As you can see right now, can you see now that it has copied that particular color to be our slide background? Okay, so if you make mistake in doing this, you can press your undo. So Ctrl Z to undo. Okay, so great. Now let's also look at it, because what we've done now, we did it using solid fill. Let's use gradient fill now. Go to click on gradient fill. Now we have 4 gradient stops here, so let's delete so that we can have only 2 left. Select this one and press removed. Select this one too and press removed. Okay, so 2 is left. So we want to change the color for these 2 gradient stop. So select the gradient stop at 0% and go to the color bucket icon. Click on the eyedropper tool and then select the dark side, or maybe the light dark side, anyone. Okay, so I've selected this one. Then select the position, which is the 100% position. Click on the bucket icon, eyedropper tool. So let's select one of it. And again, you can also even select any color apart from the picture that you bring it inside. It could also be that you've done a shape and you want to select color from it, or even you can sample color even from this background like this. You can see that is showing up like this. So now let me just select the dark green again, but this time around I could use the brightness. I could increase the brightness a little bit so that it's brighter a little bit. You can see that like this. Okay, I could change the direction if I like to this one, linear left. You can see that. You can play with this. You can see what it looks like. So if you're okay with what you have done so far, all you need to do is to, you can close this if you're okay with it. Okay, So for the background, we're okay. Good. So click on this. That's amazing. So I want to delete this picture right now. So click on it and press your backspace to delete it. Okay, so we've sampled color from there. Okay, so I want to show you next how to sample color from a shape. Okay, so just want to draw a shape. Okay, so click on the more button. While on the home tab, you see your shapes here. Click here so that you can see all the shapes. Okay, so I want to draw, let me draw this guy here, heptagon. So click on heptagon. Now, so if you want the heptagon to be a regular heptagon, that means all the sides should be equal, hold down the shift key, left click on your canvas, hold down the shift key and drag. So without the shift, it's not going to be regular. So it means the sides will not be equal. But when I press the shift key down, the sides will be regular, will be the same. Okay, so when you're okay, make sure you let go of the left click first before the shift. So okay, good, amazing. Okay, so we have this right now. So the next thing I want you to do right now is let's change the shape fill. So click on shape fill. Okay, let's see, just want to play around to see the color that go fit into what we're trying to do. Okay, let's use this color, dark blue. Okay, now let's use shape outline of white. Okay, and see. Okay, so it's just as if it's not showing through properly. Go back to shape outline. Let's increase the weight to like 6 points. You can see that's amazing. Okay, great. Okay, so we're going to draw another shape now. So let's draw another shape. Let's draw a circle, but we're going to use over to draw a circle. Click on over. This time around, to use over to draw a circle, we need the shift key. So left click on your canvas, hold down the shift key and drag. You can see that. Okay, let go of the left click first before the shift. You can move your shape. If it shows 4 arrows, just left click and drag it to a new position. You can see we have this right now. So what we want to do, we want this dark blue that is inside to be the color that is inside of this shape too. To do that, it's very easy. All we need to do is to select the color, the shape you want to add color to. Select that shape and go to, since we are changing shape fill, so you go to shape fill, click on eyedropper, then select the color you want to change. Since we are changing this color, we're changing to this color, you just left click on it. If you want to sample any color on your canvas right now, like you want to sample the green, you can sample it. You want to sample the white, you can do that. But since this is the one we want to sample, so click on it and the color will be copied to this. You can see that. That's amazing. Now we want to also copy the white color, which is the shape outline. So all we need to do now is to click on shape outline, because you remember that the shape, make sure that the shape is selected. Then while the shape is selected, go to shape outline, then go to eyedropper, then hover your mouse on the white, you can see, and then left click on it, and then it has added the white to it. So now we need to increase the weight so that it can be obvious. Go to shape outline, go to weight, 6 points. So we're making it obvious right now. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so let me also draw one more shape. Let's draw a triangle. So we're using isosceles triangle to draw equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides will be equal. For all the sides to be equal, you hold down your shift when you left click and drag. Left click on your canvas, hold down the shift key and drag. Okay, when you're done with what you want to draw, let go of the left click first before the shift. Okay, amazing, good job. Okay, this time around, what I want to do now is let me apply a different color to this. Okay, so I want to do that from the shape style. So click on this more button on the shape style. So if I hover my mouse on it, you can see what it shows like on the fly. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see what it shows like. So anyone that I prefer using, all you need to do is to just click on that particular one. Okay, so let me just choose this one here. Okay, let me choose this one here. Okay, so let me increase the outline to shape outline. Okay, so that's the outline. Okay, so I want to copy the color from this shape. So we currently have two colors, this yellow and this dark brown color that is on this shape. I want to copy it to the circle. Okay, so I want the circle, the inner of this circle, to have this dark brown. So to do that, it's actually very easy. Select the shape that you want to change its color. Then since we are changing the inner color, you go to shape view, click on eyedropper, then you're going to click on this brown color. Now as I hover my mouse at the edge of this triangle, is showing up, so click on it. Now you can see that it has added the color to what we're doing. Okay, that's amazing, great. Okay, and lastly, so I want this heptagon to have this yellow color outside to be the shape outline. So all I need to do, select the heptagon and go to shape outline, click on eyedropper and go into the color and sample it. Amazing, that's great. You've done an amazing job, well done. Okay, so this is how to actually use the eyedropper tool in PowerPoint to actually sample color. Okay, so I believe you learned something nice and something new. Okay, don't forget to like and give your comment. So see you in the next lesson.